Today, we've got a dish that's making a huge comeback since it's easy, budget-friendly, and super tasty. I'm talking about corned beef hash. No, not the stuff that comes in a can, but hash that is so good your gang will be asking for seconds. We start by sauteing some diced onions in a little butter, just until they're golden. Once they are, we add in some diced potatoes. Those can be fresh ones that we cut up and parboil, or we can cut up a few leftover baked potatoes, or even use a bag of diced potatoes that we find in our dairy or freezer case. Now we add salt and pepper, and gently give it a mix. And now for the star of this dish, we add in a good amount of diced cooked corned beef. And that can be thick cut from the deli or from leftovers. We let this cook till it's heated through and it starts to get crispy on the edges. And don't think this is just for breakfast, because it's just as welcome for dinner, with or without an egg. So why not go online and get the recipe for our homemade hash so you can add this 4-ingredient favorite to your dinner or breakfast routine. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a new old-fashioned way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.